Merry meet and welcome to the Enchanted Oak. My name is Valerie. I am the owner of the Enchanted Oak, and this is our channel. So if you're new here, please go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. You can hit that bell if you want to get notified when we do post videos. We try to post daily, but if life happens, then we may miss a day or two. But if you check out the changes video, which I will link up in here, one of these corners there, you can see the new video schedule that we're trying to get here. So today, as you can kind of see behind me, as I am in my meditation room, I'm just going to give you a tour of it here. This is kind of like my go-to room to be alone, to meditate, to work on different things, and stuff like that. So let's get you turned around and we will start the tour. All right, so as we come in, I've gone ahead and done the wall here. It is like a decal thing here. I love the saying, spread your wings and fly. I've got some art that a good friend did. I'll actually post a link to her channel down below. But I went ahead and I put these up here. Just needed something for this wall. Over here, that's just the doorway. This is in the basement, so I've got some other stuff in here that we're going to work on blocking off. So we do have under the stairs some storage, random stuff that I haven't put up yet. My dragon guards my little area. And then just another storage area that I have hidden wonderfully with my little curtains there. And then over here is where I keep the majority of my stones and crystals, oracle cards. This is an incense burner. I've got different spell kits, sprays, oils, sage, things like that. My travel altar that I take with me. And this is another decal that you might see more in videos, as I tend to film right there. And this here is just a little twin size mattress. I put a cover on. It's kind of like a little chill out spot. There's my lamp and my tree light. Now this is the chair that I recorded the changes video in, that I said that I would show you more of. I really like it. It's really comfortable. It's a nice place to sit and read and relax. And we got the rug here. That's a new addition. Not everything is in its place. Let me show you what we did. So this was the ceiling in the whole area. So we took some boards and we posted them all up. Sorry for the light. And we did that through this area to kind of make it look better. So I had to take everything down, and we're slowly getting it back in here. But behind the backdrop here, we have our altar set up. My dragon, Celtic dragon, on the wall there. It's just a basic my altar setup. I got some shelving here with my dragons, oils and resins and candles, things of that nature. So I kind of have it in the same spot, but it's also divided. Here's Gabriel. So it's still a work in progress, but we are getting it done. There's Gabriel. So, but it's getting there. For the most part, I could come in here. I can do yoga. I can meditate. And do all that fun stuff. And it's, like I said, it is my space. So that is it for here. So I hope you enjoyed my little tour of my meditation temple room. I will be filming a lot more in here, so you'll be seeing a lot of different aspects as well. Yeah, that about does it. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you didn't, hey, thumbs down. Let me know if you like things like this or not. Don't be afraid to leave a comment. I am active in the comment sections normally once I get the notification that I have a comment there. So I hope you all have a magical day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.